Hey y'all. Okay, let's get into it. So there's a comment right here. It says, how do you upload videos over 3 minutes? I thought it was a minute and a half. Your best bet is to at least record 5 minutes and then upload it to Facebook. And what I do is, if I have like a 30-second or a minute video, I use this app on my phone, which is called matter of fact, it's over here. It's called iMovie, I believe it is. Yes, iMovie. iMovie on your app. Okay? So what I do is I upload one video, for example. And what I do is I'll duplicate it until it reaches like 5 minute mark. 5 minute mark. Because I just feel like majority of the time people is not gonna sit there and watch the whole video clip anyway. So I'll click done, and then as you can see, I turned that 30-second video into 10 minutes. And then what you'll do is click share video and click save video. Click save video. So yeah, click save video. And that's all you have to do. And once you click save video, you will need to go to Facebook and click upload your video. And that's that. And here's an example. Y'all gonna hear the kids in the background. I can't make them quiet. They don't care. Um, for example, here's a video that I just uploaded uh 14 minutes ago. See? Yeah, I just uploaded. So that's all I did. It's something simple, quick, and easy. Like, you don't have to sit there and record up to 5 minutes. You can if you want to, but if you don't have no videos currently at 5 minutes, just like I said, take a 30-second video, go to iMovie on the App Store, and duplicate that same video over and over until you reach 5 minutes. And that's that. I hope that answers your question. And another thing, oh, why that? Let me show y'all better because I think the video on my phone is lagging. Hold on. Let's go here. Why did I do that? I'm definitely not about to edit not today, baby. I might as well do that, y'all. But right here because it was lagging. So oh Lord. Oh my bad. This